Welcome to a new lesson from our technical lessons. Today's lesson is about a new program downloaded by Google, which is the Photoscan program. The whole idea of the program is that when we come to take a printed picture with the mobile phone, the flash always appears, creating a strange light on one side of the picture or so. The whole idea of this program is that it avoids this lighting and shows us excellent. We will try the program. All we do is press the housing button after I take the picture. It sets 4 points for us. All we will do is that when we point the phone to the first point, it will start taking a picture. The second point will take the third picture. Fourth, he finished and produced what was supposed to be produced, but he produced the picture for us to see. I was making a picture before that. The two of them are the same. We will see the picture is very excellent without any lighting or anything similar. It may not appear well in the camera, but I think this made the picture clear. I hope you will like this program. Don't forget to like and share the episode. And if this is your first time watching us, subscribe and goodbye.